these sentences. Read these sentences. Soma emboozi zino. Soma emboozi zino. Okay, number 1. I love reading books. I love reading books. And this in Luganda is okay. Nze njagala okusoma ebitabo. Nze njagala okusoma ebitabo. Nze njagala okusoma ebitabo. Okay, can you read the next sentence? And that is, do you come from Italy? Do you come from Italy? And can you guess that in Luganda? Can you try that? Gwe ova mu Italy. Gwe ova mu Italy. Okay, let's go to the next phrase. God is always faithful. God is always faithful. God is always faithful. Katonda abeera mwesigwa. Katonda abeera mwesigwa. Okay, let's go to the next phrase. They can't do it. They can't do it. Bo tebasobola kukikola. Bo tebasobola kukikola. Bo tebasobola kukikola. The next one. Do you have a problem? Do you have a problem? Can you read it in Luganda? Gwe olina ekizibu. Gwe olina ekizibu. Gwe olina ekizibu. Do you have a problem? Is gwe olina ekizibu. The next one. I bathe every day. I bathe every day. I bathe every day. Can you read it in Luganda? Nze naaba buli lunaku. Nze naaba buli lunaku. Have a good day. Have a good day. Beera n'olunaku olulungi. Beera n'olunaku olulungi. Goodbye, Mr. Kato. Goodbye, Mr. Kato. Weraba, Mr. Kato. Weraba, Mr. Kato. Please try to keep time. Please try to keep time. Please try to keep time. Bambi gezaako okuuma obudde. Bambi gezaako okuuma obudde. Bambi gezaako okuuma obudde. The next phrase. We learn from mistakes is the answer. We learn from mistakes. We learn from mistakes. And this in Luganda, can you read that? Ffe tuyigira mu nsobi zaffe. Ffe tuyigira mu nsobi zaffe. Ffe tuyigira mu nsobi zaffe. The next phrase. The bag was black in color. The bag was black in color. The bag was black in color. What is it in Luganda? Ensawo yabadde nzirugavu. Ensawo yabadde nzirugavu. We looked at colors in English and Luganda. So black is ekidugavu. So ensawo yabadde nzirugavu. Okay, the next phrase. Pray without getting tired. Pray without getting tired. Pray without getting tired. And what is that in Luganda? Saba nga tokoowa. Saba nga tokoowa. Saba nga tokoowa. Okay, hope you've read out those sentences correctly. Kansubire osomye emboozi ezo bulungi. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Weraba.